and I'm glad to introduce you to the greatest and the latest smartwatch from Huawei, the Huawei Watch GT4. So let's hop into it without any delay. The first main attraction of the Watch GT4 is its new iconic design. There are two sizes available in the Watch GT4, which are 46mm with all new octagonal design, which is inspired by the diamond cut to make your watch always stand out from the crowd, and the 41mm with the new elegant pendant design. Both the watches have 1.43 and 1.32 inch AMOLED screens respectively. It also comes with the all new buttery smooth UX design which support different varieties of always on display. Here you are getting much different and outstanding design compared to other smartwatches that comes in only traditional square or circle shape. You will be having the benefit of having a much more stylish and elegant looking smartwatch compared to your friends and colleagues who will be having the same or similar looking smartwatch. For example, you are at your office party and all are so well dressed and good looking, but on their wrist they have the same boring square or circle smartwatch. But you can be the showstopper with your extremely good looking and elegant Huawei Watch GT4, which will completely match with your outfit and personality. You can customize the watch face according to your outfit as well. The second big thing is the 14 days battery life. The new Huawei Watch GT4 46mm comes with up to 14 days of battery with a single charge, and the 41mm can stay with you for up to 7 days with the all new fast charging feature. Other mainstream brands are giving only 1 to 2 days of maximum battery capacity, which makes your life more difficult by adding one more gadget to charge daily. Here you are having the benefit of don't have to charge your watch GT4 46mm for multiple times in a week and just charge twice in a month and you're good to go. Same goes with the 41mm, which you have to charge only once in a week. Also, both of the watches come with fast charging, which can be charged from 0 to 100 in just 100 minutes. For example, you are out with your friends for camping or trekking, you don't have to worry about your watch being out of juice. Even though your friends will be running towards a charger daily, you can be tension free for much longer time. The third and today's last attraction is the upgraded 24/7 health management. The new Huawei Watch GT4 comes with various useful health functions like upgraded Trosin 5.5 plus heart rate monitoring, scientific sleep monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, and intelligent cycle tracking. Most of the competitor brands are not giving this much scientific health functions in this price range with this long battery life. Here you can have better scientific heart rate details with the TrueScene 5.5 Plus and get better understanding about your sleeping pattern along with continuous SpO2 monitoring. With the help of the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, you can identify if you have any abnormal heartbeat or have any improper functioning in your heart along with any blockage in your veins. Also for females, there is intelligent cycle tracking which can help to stay ready in ahead of the next menstruation period, ovulation period and fertility window as well. For example, you are going out with your friends for trekking, you can have proper details regarding your heart function and have proper track of your sleep so that you can stay fresh the next day for your ongoing adventures. Along with that, the watch will give you alert if you have any irregular heartbeat or have any concern which demands your proper attention. So don't wait, go and pre-book your all new Huawei Watch GT4 now in your nearest Huawei store. See you in next video. Thanks and God bless.